When it comes to maintaining or upgrading your commercial property, window replacement is a significant investment that can boost energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and improve the comfort and productivity of the space. However, finding a reliable commercial window replacement service in West Jordan is crucial to ensure a smooth, high-quality installation that delivers long-lasting benefits. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you choose the best service for your business needs. Look for experience in commercial projects. Commercial window replacement projects often present unique challenges that differ from residential installations, such as larger window sizes, custom designs, complex building codes, and considerations for energy efficiency and safety. Start by looking for a company with extensive experience in commercial projects. Ask how long they have been in business, what types of commercial properties they've worked on, and whether they have handled projects similar to yours. A company with a solid track record will be well equipped to anticipate and overcome common challenges, ensuring a successful project that meets your needs and timeline. Verify licensing, certifications, and insurance. It's essential to work with a licensed and insured window replacement service. Licensing indicates that the company meets industry standards and local regulations, while insurance protects you and the workers in case of accidents or property damage during the project. Ask to see proof of licensing and insurance, and confirm that their certifications align with industry standards for safety and quality. Certifications from organizations like the American Architectural Manufacturers Association, AMA, or Energy Star can further indicate a commitment to high-quality products and services. Read customer reviews and testimonials. One of the best ways to gauge the reliability of a commercial window replacement service is by reading customer reviews and testimonials. Look for feedback on platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB. Pay attention to comments about professionalism, punctuality, quality of workmanship, and how the company handled any issues that arose during the project. Positive reviews from other commercial property owners in West Jordan can give you confidence in the company's ability to deliver reliable, high-quality results. Assess their product selection. A reliable commercial window replacement service should offer a wide range of high-quality products from reputable manufacturers. Ask about the types of windows they carry, including energy-efficient, impact-resistant, and soundproof options. Make sure they can provide the specific window styles and materials that best suit your building's needs and aesthetics. Having access to a variety of options allows you to select windows that improve the energy efficiency, security, and overall appeal of your commercial property. Get detailed, transparent quotes before committing to a window replacement service. Request detailed, written quotes from multiple providers. A reliable company should provide a clear breakdown of costs, including materials, labor, and any additional fees. Be wary of companies that provide vague or overly low estimates, as these may hide hidden costs or indicate low-quality materials. Transparent pricing and clear communication about what's included in the quote demonstrate the company's commitment to honesty and professionalism. Inquire about their installation process Understanding how the company handles installations is critical to ensuring your project goes smoothly. Ask about their installation process, from initial measurements and ordering to final inspection and cleanup. A reliable service should have a structured process and communicate the timeline clearly. They should also have measures in place to minimize disruptions to your business operations, such as scheduling installations during off hours or taking steps to reduce noise and debris. Check for warranties and guarantees. A reliable commercial window replacement service will stand behind their products and workmanship with warranties and guarantees. Ask about the terms of their warranties, including what is covered, for how long, and how issues are handled. Warranties provide peace of mind that the company is committed to long-term customer satisfaction and will address any problems that arise after the installation. Prioritize energy efficiency and compliance. Energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs for commercial properties, leading to long-term savings. A reliable service should be knowledgeable about energy efficiency standards and offer windows with features such as low E glass, thermal breaks, and multi-pane glazing. Additionally, they should ensure that the installation meets all local building codes and regulations in West Jordan. Compliance with these codes is essential for safety, insurance, and long-term building integrity. Focus on customer service. From your first contact with a potential window replacement service, pay attention to their level of customer service. A reliable company will respond promptly to inquiries, provide clear answers, and take the time to understand your specific needs. Professionalism, courtesy, and transparency are key indicators of a company's commitment to delivering a positive customer experience. Make the right choice for your business. Finding a reliable commercial window replacement service in West Jordan is essential for achieving a successful project that enhances your property's appearance, energy efficiency, and functionality. By focusing on experience, licensing, product quality, and customer service, you can select a company that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Take the time to research and compare providers, and you'll be rewarded with windows that transform your business space and deliver lasting value.